Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So we are approaching to supply levels in these markets. So on the 4-hour chart on NQ, you can identify this exhaustion from the bulls, and potentially we are going back to retest this pretty much a crucial supply and demand zone. If we want to have another leg up, we need to hold above this supply and demand zone. uh, Otherwise, we will go ahead and retest these origin levels 17200. So let's make it clearer with 15-10-15 minute charts. Yeah, 10 is my favorite one. So yes, so we had an weekly open with a gap up around 1.3%. We of course uh, right after the open, we filled the 50% of the gap and range to the upside until the New York Open. We took this Sunday liquidity right here and continued the downside. So currently we had a daily close at around 50% of the line, and this is the 200 EMA on a 10-minute chart. So I do expect to this level to be crucial tomorrow. Uh, and if we want to have any upside momentum, we need to stay above this 50% level right here. But of course, it is OpEx week, and you remember that uh, very huge volatilities in the markets can violate a lot of levers. So on the 10-minute chart, you can see that potentially if we about to lose this level tomorrow or this week, we can go potentially to test these supply and demand levels. And if this doesn't hold, it means that the upside momentum is getting faded, and we can simply go to this origin to test this origin and potentially to test the 618 from the 2022 lows. All right, so let's see today's price action on a 3-minute chart. Yeah, so very rangy, choppy, and low volume price action. We had this huge sell off right from the open. Then we started to range. You had this bull flag right here, which was violated once, and then we took this liquidity and sold off. So the only trade you could have possibly taken could have been these lows of the view up and retest right here. Otherwise, it was a very difficult price action, and it's okay to miss these kind of days. So slow Monday. This so as I said, so OPEX is going to be very volatile, and we need to be very careful. So moving to the VIX, very important levels on the VIX. So we basically closed this um 30 gap, as we already spoken about a lot of times. We closed this gap, and below we are having this daily volume imbalance around 23 to 25 area. But of course, we have this 10-minute volume imbalance too on the upside. Today we tapped a bit of this volume imbalance, but of course, if you see the net flow today, you saw the net flow today, which we're gonna discuss soon. Yes, we are having some cold spikes in the net flow for the VIX. So yeah, on the 5-minute chart, yes, so very rangy and nothing burger on the VIX side as well. So nothing is clear right now. This is kind of a rangy price action, and we violated opening range a couple of times. So it's very difficult, yeah, to navigate these kind of price action, as I said. Um, so we are below the put trigger as well. So this means a compression in the short term. And if there is any kind of good news or Powell is going to speak this week as well. So we can expect some kind of downside momentum up to these daily imbalance uh, levels. Otherwise, so the net flow is bullish. Let me take us to the net flow right now, and yeah. So this is the out of the money exposure. You can see a lot of call spikes, 4 or 5 millions each of them, and in the money is also pretty much very supportive. So this is another sign for me that the upside momentum for the market is slowly getting faded. So the monthly contracts, which are expiring in 2 days, yeah, I will expect it to be around 30 levels. So you can see that delta is very supportive. On the gamma side, yes, so 30 level is the main interest from both sides. And of course, the next level is 35. All right. Yes, so 35 and 30. So that's pretty much it, guys, for today. This was a quick review. And I will expect some kind of a choppy, volatile week as we are approaching to OpEx. And remember that bears are in total control right now, as the put call ratio is uh, around even right now, but it was 1.2. So they are still in total control. And you can expect some kind of pressure for the bulls. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining me and have a good one. Bye.